So here's a little tidbit for you with something that we're not even sure why. I'm sure there's some science behind it, and if you actually know, please comment below and tell us. But tell me about defrosting on granite countertops.
I discovered that it is the best way to defrost a steak in an hour. I'll take a frozen steak from my refrigerator, freezer, place it on the granite. No, it's still in the bag.
Okay, sure.
Within an hour, it's defrosted. Somehow, the warmth from this granite defrost my...
No matter what time of the year, it does that for you.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, I think that is super cool. Now, I'm sure Cold Stone Creamery, you know, like that was, when she told me that, I thought, that's got to be maybe why they use a cold stone. I don't know if it's granite or not. Again, totally didn't research that, but I thought that was something really cool. So if you defrost a lot, maybe granite is for you too.
Just a little extra
there you go.
Perk.
A little snack for you.
Yeah.